This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by AVENIDA Sam. Exceptional Lakeview Townhome in Vista Lago, no bond. Seize this golden opportunity to own a one-of-a-kind, maintenance-free townhome in the highly sought-after Enclave of Vista Lago, a charming Spanish/Mediterranean-style neighborhood just one block from Spanish Springs Town Square. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome boasts a spacious floor plan and breathtaking panoramic lake views. Enjoy the convenience of hassle-free living, as the HOA covers exterior maintenance, roof, landscaping, irrigation, pest control, insurance, and sprinkler system. Unbeatable location, walk to everything. Living in Vista Lago means having restaurants, shops, and entertainment just steps from your front door. Walk to. Fine and casual dining. A well-equipped gym and outdoor swimming pool. Shops and boutiques. The Sharon Morse Performing Arts Center. Nightly entertainment in Spanish Springs Town Square. Car rental services and hotels for guests. La Hacienda Recreation Center for sports, social clubs, and activities. Publix for all your grocery needs. Interior highlights: grand tiled foyer with high ceilings, crown molding, and plantation shutters. Formal dining room and bright living area with French doors leading to a screened lanai overlooking the lake. Gourmet kitchen featuring granite countertops, wood cabinetry, tile flooring, gas range, pantry, and a cozy dinette area. Spacious first-floor primary suite with high ceilings, walk-in closet, and serene lake views. Ensuite primary bath with dual vanities, granite countertops, and a walk-in shower. Convenient first-floor half-bath for guests. Second-floor retreat with 2 oversized bedrooms, a full bath, and a cozy loft perfect for an office or reading nook. Guest bedrooms feature high ceilings, built-in closets, and Juliet balconies with exquisite wrought iron railings. Architectural beauty and aesthetic charm. Vista Lago is known for its distinctive Spanish/Mediterranean architecture, featuring elegant tile roofs, stucco exteriors, and beautifully landscaped surroundings. The neighborhood exudes charm, offering a picturesque setting that blends natural beauty with timeless design. Additional features: inside laundry room with washer and dryer. Deep 1.5-car garage. Plenty of room for a vehicle, golf cart, and storage. This spectacular home is ideal for full-time living, a vacation retreat, or a lucrative investment opportunity. Don't miss out on this rare gem. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact AVENIDA Sam at 714-683-7774.